Hello, I'd like to introduce one of my hobbies. My hobby is programming. Programming. As you see this picture, how do you feel? Is it difficult? It may cause you headache.
One, yeah, good, better.
I'm learning coding by myself. I think it might be a little difficult. Just reading books or just watching the lesson videos is kind of boring for you, and you may be wondering it might cost you so much. But all the things is no. I often use several services that you can learn programming as you play some games, so just typing at the same time. And this is one of the service called Paiza. So it's in Japanese, but you can watch videos and type with it, and you can learn how to code. And also you can share the code you wrote, and the company's staff can see, and they sometimes offer you a job. So it's kind of good way to look for a job. And this is a project. This is developed by University of Tokyo students, and this is kind of very cute visual and very easy to understand. In this service, you read slides, and after the slide ends, you can type with a lot of hints, and you can make some home pages or service like Facebook and some kind of games. We can make both of those things, and eventually you are getting leveled up like this, and show your ability. You can show my ability like this, so it's very fun. I'd like to see the real page of this. Oh no, this is my page, and there are a lot of lessons. HTML and CSS is a very common language to make web pages. And Java, JavaScript, jQuery, Ruby, Rails, PHP, Java, Python, Swift, command line, and Git. Almost every popular languages are covered with this. I'm studying Ruby. And you can see like those lines. It's very visual, and you can do practice. This is the game of how to say, the translated word like lingo in Japanese, and you can type the correct word in English, and it can judge the right or wrong. Like this. it's just the beginning, so it's very easy, but it's getting difficult, more and more difficult. But it really have enough hints this side, so it's really easy to learn. Oh, this is the Python. There are lots of videos like this. It's very useful. And Python, you can use Python without any cost. And this service costs you $10 a month, so it's not so expensive. And and the next one is coding game. Oh. As you can see, this is like I'm playing kind of video games. But it really is games, but you can improve your coding ability with playing games. I can also show you the real page. This is the one. At first, you can't hit all the enemies and you will lose. But following this introduction, you can make it stronger. So I'm studying Ruby, so I select Ruby. But as you see, there are lots and lots of languages you can learn. And copy this and paste it. Then play this. And then you can shoot all the enemies and you win. It is just a tutorial, but and I just started using this program, but I think it must be very fun to learn coding. And why I study programming, and I recommend you to do that, because if you can be able to think logically by learning how to process the order you want to make this computer. And also, if you can be a great programmer, you can get a job and work freelance programmer. If you can be a freelance programmer, you can work at any time and anywhere. So if you get married and you have to stay in the home, but you can still start work in the home. So it's very important. And you all are scientists, so it's very common to use program services, and you may know the word Python, so it's worth studying it. And finally, it's very fun to make machines move as you like. So yes, that's why I recommend you to learn. Thank you.
Good.